Today we're going to talk about test cross and how we use it in GenBio. Cross is used to determine the genotype of an organism with a dominant phenotype. So let's start with an example. Capital Y and small y for the alleles. Then yellow piece for the capital Y and it's dominant because it's capital Y. Then small y for green piece recessive. And now for the genotype. The genotype for the capital Y is homo homozygous dominant and heterozygous. And now for the green piece, small y is homozygous recessive. So now let's proceed. Below is an example of the use of test cross. So here is what if the yellow piece is homo dominant uh, crossed with a homo recessive green piece. This will be the outcome. All of the offspring will be yellow piece 100%. So what if it's heterozygous yellow piece crossbreeded by homo recessive green piece? The outcome will be half will be yellow piece and half will be green piece for the offspring.